I introduce you. Yeah, the maid of honor, everybody.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. Hi, as you know, I'm the maid of honor to the couple.
Hello.
First of all, I would like to thank Don and Lydia for allowing me to be a part of the beautiful occasion. Although I don't really know them very well, nakapalang ng mukha ko. So, one thing I think. Thank you. So, although I don't know them very well, we became close friends. And they were just a beautiful couple as you could imagine. Especially Lydia. She's like a sister that I never had. She would say, I would say anything and she would just laugh at it. I don't even know if she understands what I'm saying. So anyway.
Here.
I wish you guys another 25 more and more happiness to the rest of your life. So let's give it up! Mr. and Mrs. Donald Ricardo and family! Let it go! By the way, Mr. and Mrs. Mascardo, we have a surprise for you. And never thought I'd feel this way. As far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I had the chance to say that I do believe I love you guys. And if I should ever go away, say it.
ang mag-mic. May nawala practice eh.
Sa mic, wala na nila